Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to Alize's Beauty. Now today I wanted to do a quick little video. Just took a shower and washed my face, did the works and stuff. But I do want to do like two of the popular things that's been on TikTok for a minute. So one of them is the Clinique Dramatically BB cream. I did do a quick little review about this one. Unfortunately I had bad lighting at that point in time. It was just a quick one. But I'm just going to apply this so you guys could just see how it looks. Definitely, I love this. Highly recommended for me. I personally do like it. Some people has been a little iffy. So it's pretty much mixed reviews. We'll get into that later. But another one I want to get into is going to be this one's the Ordinary. Now, this one will be a first impression. This one, I'll be honest, I have not used. I have not tried. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard so much about it. It is really good to, like, it's basically a peel for your skin. So basically what it's going to do is you're gonna put it on dry skin. You're gonna apply it all over, and you're gonna let it no more than 10 minutes. Remember, no more than 10 minutes. Just stop right there. I haven't used it with the instructions to see, but I'm like, all right. And I do have sensitive skin. I did read the packaging. It did say do not use on sensitive skin, but I'm gonna take a chance because I just want to see how it works, how it feels. So we will see. But all right, let's get to it. So I apologize if you has a little background in the background. Unfortunately we are home. We're doing the quarantine thing. The kids are home, all that good stuff. So all right, this is my first impression. I've seen a lot of people on TikTok use this. So let's see. Just trying to see if it has a scent. That's a little bit, but not horrible. So let's go ahead and start applying. It looks like this. Boom. So it does say stay away from the eyes. Obviously, it's more like a common sense thing. So let me put a little bit more. I just want to see if it's gonna burn. Is it gonna hurt? My thing is like I'm just doing a little by little because I just want to make sure. Let's see. Put it all over. So far feels like a gel base. Doesn't feel watery. It feels more like a little gel base. I guess that's technically what it is, a gel base. So for now, I'm just going to apply just underneath, just here, because I'm scared to do forehead, everything around, to be honest. Like, or should I do it all, y'all? I don't know. Okay. Right now, I'm definitely feeling a sensation of intensity. Now, I do have oily prone skin as well. So this one would definitely help with the prone skin. All right, let's see. Yeah, I think I'm just going to do that because I'll be honest, I could feel it and it hasn't even been a minute. So obviously after this, you're going to rinse it off. Let's see, y'all. All right. I know, we'll see. I do feel a sensation of, like I'll be honest, it does feel, not like it's burning, but just uncomfortable. I'll tell you this, it's an uncomfortable feeling. So obviously it's a chemical peel technically, so yeah, no more than 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and wait 10 minutes and then I'll come back before the 10 minutes is over and I'll let you guys know before I rinse it off and just to let you know how it guys feels. So give me a second, okay? All right, you guys, so I'm back. It's been 8 minutes so far, but I'll be honest, your girl is not going to be I can't handle the 10 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and rinse it off. Meanwhile, we're off camera. I did do the forehead a little bit, but I would say the pain doesn't increase. It just a sensation that it feels like not burning, but I just don't like it. I'll be honest. But I just pray to God it doesn't break me out. So because I'm trying this. So we'll see. So give me a second. I'm going to go rinse this off. And I will be right back. And I'm going to go ahead and put some of the ID gel. So that I love. So I know how that one works. So let me go ahead and rinse this off. I'll be back. Okay, guys. So I'm back. So I just rinsed my face. Cleaned it out. I'll be honest, I feel like I still feel the tingly sensation. I'll be honest, I don't like that. I have used different pills before, and I use the Exuviance one. That one I love because you'll apply it, you'll feel it, but then you'll apply the second thing and you'll be fine. But this one I feel like it's just still that tingly feeling. Like, oh my goodness, it's driving me crazy. But I'll be honest. I feel like, well, just for me, I think because I do have sensitive skin, I think that's why my skin is like, nope, this ain't for you, girl. But I can't blame the company because it does say, you know, not for sensitive skin, but your girl had to give it a shot. So, hey. But do I recommend this for those who don't have sensitive skin? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if it doesn't break me out. So we will see. But for the most part, we'll see if it does a job. Did I see a difference right away? I'll be honest, I feel like it's hard to tell right now. Do I feel like it's smooth? I'll be honest, I don't feel any smoothness. I feel like it's a little rough, I'll be honest. But could just be me. But I do have other products of theirs that I definitely like. So that's what I'm actually going to apply right now. So I'm going to apply my serum. This is the, oops, wrong one. Grab this one. This is the organic cold pressed rosehip oil. I love this stuff. Let's see if I can focus it for you guys. This one is one of my favorites. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. So this one is just pretty much your basic oil you're gonna apply, and I do have oily skin, and excuse me, and remember, you still want to apply a little bit of oil, because if not, that's why we produce more oils, and you definitely don't want to do that. So I'm definitely applying this right now. Let me see if that helps my skin feel a bit better. I don't know, we will see. All right, so definitely got that. All right, so that is one of my favorites right there, and that one was called the rosehip seed oil. All right, so the next one I like from them too, that I like using too, it is a caffeine solution, 5% 5G. This one is for the eyes. This one is also one of my favorites. I feel like it helps with my puffiness and dark circles, so definitely love and appreciate that. Anything that could help it, I am all for it. So this one I'm just gonna apply a little bit. All right, because this one, believe me, goes a long way. So all right, and I know some people may ask, well, do I need oils and a moisturizer? Yes, and I'm gonna tell you why. Basically, a oil is gonna penetrate the skin a little bit deeper, and then a moisturizer is gonna be just on top of the layer. So you do need both, and this is usually what I like to use. All right, so before I proceed, I'm gonna go ahead and use this is from Clinique. It's a Moisture Surge Eye 96-hour hydrator. This is one of my favorites, especially for those that, like, the night before you didn't have a good night's sleep. I'm telling you, this sucker does a job right here. Love it, love it, love it. Even my sister loves it. She works at a dentist's office, and I gave her a little bit to try. She tried it. She went to work, and the girls at work were like, what kind of concealer are you using? And she started laughing because she was like, it's not a concealer. It's a serum for your eyes, which is so funny. So this one I like because it just hydrates all day. It hydrates, it plumps, it helps with fine lines or wrinkles as well. A little bit with the dark circles as well. So like I said, anything that helps the eyes. And this one I like because you could go a little bit even around the eye area, which is really nice. So, and I just go really just gently. All right, got that. All right, and since it is for nighttime right now, it doesn't matter. I'm gonna let it be a little bit thicker right now, because you can use it as a mask too and kind of just take a little nap with it. All right, so the next one, and the last but not least, it is the Clinique's the BB Gel. Now normally, don't get me wrong, this one I normally use during the day, but for right now, I'm gonna apply it right now because the last time I used it, I don't think you guys were able to see really good how I used it. So let me go ahead and apply some on. All right, so obviously it comes out great, but then you're gonna just apply just everywhere. And when you apply it, it just gives you like a little tint. So not too much, not too big, you know, just a little something, something. So just something like that. All right. And then don't forget your neck. I do have my neck cleanser as well, but right now, like, I'm gonna go a little simple today. To go easy, because I'm gonna watch maybe some Netflix, some movies, do a little something, a little show, you know what I mean? Something, something. All right. Get my brows. My brows look scary. Oh my God, it looks crazy. But here we go. So I hope you guys get to see how it looks. I mean, it doesn't make a big major difference, but with this one, a little bit of lip gloss, like set it with a little powder. Believe me, you're ready to go. If you want to go a little grocery shopping, to the store, or if you're just one of those who, I really don't like wearing makeup, believe me, this is good. But just remember, anytime you wear any of this moisturizer, put also a SPF on top. SPF on top. Don't forget, and use mineral SPF. And later I will talk about mineral SPF when it comes to that, but I'll let you guys know. Now, do I recommend this? Like I said before, is all up to you, but definitely do a patch test like on your wrist or somewhere just to see if it's gonna irritate your skin. For me, honestly, I did it yesterday. It didn't feel like it really irritated my like forearm, but I'll be honest, my skin even right now, it still feels a little so. So I don't know. It does feel a little bit more calm down now that I put my moisturizer and all the good stuff. But hey, all right. So I hope you guys enjoyed my quick little mini little review, little talk about it, because so many people talking about this on TikTok and talking about the BB, too. Like both of these are popular. So like, yeah, let me go ahead and chit chat about it real quick. So, all right. Well, I hope you guys are all safe, through this time. Let's be strong. Let's stick together. We got this. All right. So don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. And you guys have a great night. See you guys soon.